Hi everyone, I'm Ben. I'm a potato farmer called Mitolo Family Farms. Right here in South Australia is where we grow our potatoes. Potatoes are really different than other veggies. While the plant and the leaves grow on top of the ground, the potatoes grow deep under the ground. This is the packing shed. After the potatoes are harvested, they come here, they get washed, sorted, packed, then they're sent straight to the supermarket in a shop near you. Baked potato, yum. This is my favourite way to eat our spuds.